Someone else at the next solo. Now I have to kind of admit, I got this a little bit wrong. Best of British. Tonight we've had some fantastic kind of British tunes, some British arrangers, composers, all of that kind of stuff. Yeah, not much British in here actually, to be honest. I thought, so when Callie Jones is British, aren't you? We'll go with that one. But when he came up to me and said, I've got this great solo, nobody does it better, brilliant. And I was thinking, great, Sheena Easton. Yeah, Sheena Easton, brilliant. And I had a little soft spot for Sheena Easton when I was a bit younger, actually. But it's not as it was. Carly Simon, who's American. Marvin Hamlish wrote it, who's American. Probably most of the James Bond film was filmed over in America. James Bond's British, though, isn't he? So there you go. And actually, the arranger of this piece of music, former core bandmaster WO1 Tom Hodge, doesn't live too far away on the English Riviera down in Torquay Way as well. So he arranged this piece of music. Absolutely fantastic piece of music. Nobody does it better. And to perform this for you this evening, musician Callie Jones. Well, a lot better than Sheena Easton anyway, is it, for your eyes? Fantastic, so really, really good. Got the back of my hairs on the back of my neck. So very, very good. Okay, that's me done.